Hey everybody, how's it going? So iOS 15.7.1 is out, and today I'm gonna install on this 4 device. So without further ado, let's get started. So now let's go to setting, general, software update, and you will get this notice 15.7.1. So I'm gonna open on this 4 device on setting. So this version is for the non-support iOS 16. So this is my 6s, my SE 2016, my 6s, and my iPhone 7. Download and install. It takes about 602.3 MB. Let's download and install. Now it's loading. About a minute's remaining. And after that, you will get the loading of preparing update. So can't wait for the installing. My SE still in preparing update while the other 3 has been finished for the loading. Now this 4 device has been finished for the preparing update. So as you can see there, it's a install now button. Let's install now. Install and install. And you will get the notice of verifying update. And after that, Apple logo and the loading. But as you can see, my 6s is still on the verifying update while the other 3 is already been the loading. Let's fast forward. Finally, already reached the Apple logo update loading. And the finish process. Now on the hello screen. Press the home button. Software update complete. On this 4 device, it's really nice hello screen. Complete on this 4 device. Continue. And you will ask the password if your phone doesn't have the password. I mean, you didn't set it up before the update. You get this message. For now, I am skip it for the password. And after that, welcome to iPhone. Alright, all been settled, and so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for iOS 15.7.1 is out and also installing on this 4 device in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day. iOS 15.7.1. Good luck.